Hello, cookbook lovers. My name is Carrie and I'm with Cookbook Divas. And today I'm going to take a moment to look through a cookbook with you that does not have any pictures. Now, you know I love my photographs, but Grandma's Wartime Kitchen just has illustrations. So I normally would be like, bleh, don't want it. But we are reading the kitchen front about World War II Britain in the Cookbook Divas book club, which if you want to join us, you can find info on our website at cookbookdivas.com. We have a Facebook group where we discuss the book. Anyway, Grandma's Wartime Kitchen by Joanna Lamb Hayes is World War II and the way we cooked. And if we were to read through this, we would learn a lot. But like I said, there's no photos. Basically, there's just text and occasionally illustrations. Let's see if I can find one. And this is a library book, and I see food stains, or what I hope is food stains, on some of these pages. So I hope people have actually been cooking out of it, but try not to get the library book dirty. Jeez. So I'm fascinated by what people had to cook in World War II, especially in Britain, where they had food rationing in a way that America didn't. This is an older-ish cookbook, St. Martin's Press. It came out in 2005, I think? Not sure. It's been reprinted. So the chapters are The Homefront Warrior, Chapter 2, Eat to Win, Chapter 3, Cultivate and Can, Chapter 4, Sweet Sacrifice, Chapter 5, Meat and Morality, Chapter 6, Stretch It, Chapter 7, Butter and Gunpowder, Chapter 8, Foods to Pack, Chapter 9, Wartime Entertaining, which will be fascinating, Chapter 10, Pink Slips Lead to Pink Aprons. Okay, so introduction. The Homefront Warrior is going to present recipes for cream of onion soup, Ladies' Aid salad, star salad, watercress and grapefruit salad, White House salad, Monday meatloaf, pork shoulder roast. It's kind of hard to read this little vintage handwriting font. Swedish meatballs, squash biscuits. I don't care for squash. Whole wheat bread, butterscotch pie. Yum. Cottage pudding with toffee sauce, plum tarts, and salvage pudding. So learn a lot about World War II and rationing. They're mentioning the June 1942 issue of Good Housekeeping that announced the magazine had been asked to plan the menus and market orders for feeding 450 airmen stationed in the Middle East. Their suggested market order for a year, 12,000 pounds of strawberry jam, etc. So we're going to learn a lot. And then it goes into the recipes, no photos, meatloaf, etc. So let me jump to the next chapter, give you a preview. Eat to Win is peanut butter date bread, cheese custards with chives, corned beef puffs, Lima's Fort MacArthur. Is that lima beans? Creamed dried beef on baked potatoes. Cereal rolls, mock sausage rolls, etc. They're including some vintage illustrations from back in the day and some vintage ads and leaflets and booklets. Cheese custard with chives. Okay. Chapter 3, Cultivate and Can. Snap bean salad, hot cabbage slaw, a wartime special chicken gumbo soup, Creole cabbage, scalloped spinach and tomatoes. My grandmother, who lived through World War II, often made a scalloped spinach or tomatoes. She didn't serve them at the same time. Oops, we're in another chapter. Sweet Sacrifice. This says when a recipe calls for 1 cup granulated sugar, you may substitute molasses, maple syrup, honey, corn syrup, etc. Talks about how sugar was one of the first food items to be rationed. Vermont Johnny Cakes, oatmeal muffins, maple tapioca, pineapple delight, wartime special raisin frosting, sugarless brownies. Ooh. Going to move to the next chapter, meat and morality, victory meat extenders, etc. I'm a vegetarian, so I wouldn't have missed it, but arroz con pato, rice and something, stuffed beef heart. My eyes almost watered. Boiled tongue with horseradish sauce. Pork upines. Emergency steak made with flaked wheat cereal, milk, onion, salt, black, and a pound of ground beef. It's probably not the best quality. Pork chop suey. Corn belt spaghetti. That's clever. Wartime Special, Pig's Knuckles. 69 ration recipes for meat. It was a booklet that came out. Now we're in the Stretch It chapter. Info on that. Keep them frying. Adirondack chowder. Chicken bone soup. Hamburger vegetable soup. My mom used to make that for people that weren't vegetarian. She used to make it for us. Navy bean soup. Chicken and waffles. Yum. Wartime Special, meat fritters. Homemade scrapple. Baked eggs and cheese sauce. Cabbage Delmonico. Macaroni goldenrod. Sauerkraut croquettes. Chapter 7, butter and gunpowder. Cooked salad dressing. Oil and vinegar dressing. Apricot cornbread. That sounds good. Low-fat muffins. Brown Betty. Cherry pudding. Yum. Wartime Special, butterless butter. I'm sorry, what? Oh, the recipe is gelatin, cold water, boiling water, evaporated milk, mayonnaise, salt, and margarine. We'll just use the margarine, leave everything alone. Applesauce cake, Dutch apple cake, war cake. Send email to the wounded over here. Oh, C-mail. C-mail is cheer mail, cookies, cakes, and chocolate. Aw. Liver and bacon sandwiches. No, thank you. Mom's ham salad sandwiches. Wartime Special victory sandwiches made with string beans, mayonnaise, parsley, basil, salt, and black pepper. Candy bar cookies. Wartime entertaining. Okay, what's going on? Oh, it's not about entertaining. It's what you serve when you entertain. Okay, waffle cheese sandwiches. Mock pâté de foie gras, made from butter, beef liver. I can't read the rest. Can't do it. Brisket with vegetables. Hungarian goulash. Individual lamb roasts. Potato cloverleaf rolls. Raised chocolate cake. Strawberry or raspberry trifle. Flaky pastry. Rib roast with mushroom gravy. Stuffed cabbage leaves. So you get the drift. That was Grandma's Wartime Kitchen. Thank goodness we're not in a war right now, just a pandemic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our cookbook look-throughs and reviews, you can see more of them on our Cookbook Divas website. We're also on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and we have a podcast that you can listen to if you so choose. Bye!